Okay, I've done my bean harvest. These are Cobra. I'll be giving those away to the neighbours. And these are the Pongo beans. And they are for our dinner tomorrow. And what we've got left over will go in the freezer. So yeah, another nice harvest. Okay, catch you later. Okay, this is the last of the Casablancas. We'll have it out. Then I'm going to get a few carrots. See what we've got. Nice potatoes, and as usual the small ones, but some nice ones in here. Okay, that seems to be about it. Some nice potatoes there, nice size. Okay, we'll empty the barrow and then we'll come back to you with a weight. Okay, we'll see what weight we've got. Okay, we are tied off in pounds. £2.72. Okay. Not a massive amount in weight, but it will do. Okay. Okay, we'll see what carrots are like in here. These are Touchon. Not bad. I might only take out just enough for a couple of meals, then cover the holes back up to try and stop the carrot root fly getting in. That's a skinny one. Babby. Not bad. Carrots really. Right, I think we'll have enough there for a meal. It's a nice one. Okay, let's cover the holes back up. And it can stay around here on the table. Okay, not bad carrots. Couple of small ones, one there with an extra leg on, but I'm satisfied with those. Okie dokie. I've just got to get a cabbage that it hasn't formed up properly, but we'll eat the leaves. Okay, we'll catch you shortly. Okay, another nice harvest to keep us going. A small cabbage just for the leaves, and another good harvest of runner beans. Okie dokie, we'll catch you later. Bye for now. Okay, it's Monday, July the 26th, and I've just done another small harvest of runner beans and pongo beans. So these will be very shortly in the freezer. Okay, catch you later.